didn't hit 100, but it felt like it.
Pretty darn close.
Yeah.
99, and then we hit 106, our heat index. So it is brutally hot outside, and we have so much sunshine lately, too.
No cloud cover, yeah.
Very little cloud cover. Here's a live look outside, actually, downtown near the UT campus. Very, very hot conditions this evening. We just have a few clouds, mainly partly cloudy skies, and that's kind of what we're going to see for the rest of the evening. Now, if you go to the weather blog tonight, we have information on our July weather wrap-up. Some really interesting information there. Actually, this year, our average daily highs are 6 to 8 degrees cooler than we were last July. That's some really interesting information there with all of our droughts, very hot weather. If you scroll all the way down too, we have a August outlook for you, also showing warm temperatures and slightly above possibility for some rain showers there. You want to check that out. KXAN.com, click on the weather tab, you'll find the weather blog. Temperatures today, though, it is very hot. Look at this, 106 degrees is what it feels like outside. That's the heat index value. It takes into account the humidity in the air in addition to the actual temperature. It feels like 103 in Llano, 105 in San Marcos, and 103 degrees in Bastrop. Here's the actual temperature. Look at this, 99 in Llano, 96 in Blanco, 97 in Georgetown, 96 degrees currently in Bastrop. For the rest of your evening, temperatures will drop very slowly. We'll only fall into the upper 80s by about 10 p.m. Skies will stay mostly clear, but it's going to be very warm outside, even through tomorrow morning when we start out the day at 78 degrees. Mostly sunny conditions. Right now, partly clear and 99 at Camp Mabry, 97 partly clear skies out at ABIA. Winds are light, kind of out of the south-southwest, out of the airport, and variable at Camp Mabry, only 9 to 7 miles an hour. Across the state, though, things remain very warm. 95 in Lubbock, 99 in Midland, San Angelo, 103 degrees. This is its 10th consecutive day of 100-degree temperatures so far, and we've also seen temperatures right around 100 in Dallas, 94 still in Houston, 93 Corpus Christi this evening. Now, in the upper levels of the atmosphere, we're tracking this area of low pressure. You can see it very well on the water vapor imagery. That's why we're using this. You can see that counterclockwise rotation as it moves over central Texas, and it's going to continue to push northwest over the next couple of days. Not great amount of moisture associated with it, and nothing really at the surface to help spark widespread showers. A few isolated ones are popping up now along the coast, however, and then some up over Arkansas and Oklahoma. A little bit wider view over the U.S. We are tracking another area of low pressure that could become interesting later in the week. That is off the coast of Florida there, and it's going to be moving kind of just right along the coast, sparking showers and thunderstorms that could impact portions of the Texas coast later in the week, just kind of enhancing our coastal showers we typically see this time of year. So let's go hour by hour through our forecast as we go through tonight, tomorrow, and into your Tuesday. Tonight, we'll see mostly clear skies starting out tomorrow, plenty of sunshine. Very hot conditions are expected. Through the afternoon hours, we could see a shower or two popping up along the coast. Some of those could track west into our eastern counties, but that's going to be a very slim chance. Right now, we're keeping things dry, just partly cloudy through the afternoon. And on Tuesday, same sort of setup. See mostly sunny conditions for much of the day, partly cloudy through the afternoon, very small chance of a coastal shower or two. Tonight, temperatures are going to fall only into the mid-70s in the hill country, upper 70s for the metro and eastern counties. For tomorrow, we'll top out right around 100 degrees. Temperatures aren't going to fluctuate a whole lot over the next 7 days. Tonight, 78 here in Austin, mostly clear skies. For tomorrow, 99. We'll go partly sunny by the afternoon, and then we'll see those clouds stick around through your Tuesday as well. But temperatures will continue to climb through this week as we see a ridge of high pressure building back in. That's also going to allow for more sunshine as we get through Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Temperatures hovering right around 100 degrees even into next weekend.